Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am the Roblox Dev, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a good Roblox portfolio. So step 1, you need to create or organize existing works that you have done, and sort them. So for example, if you don't have good quality works right now, or you don't have any work that you think other people are going to like, you first have to make them. And then, organize them. So sometimes you have GUI works, sometimes you have models, whatever. You organize them to their selected groups, like have different folders. Your GUI work is in the GUI folder, and your modeling work is in your modeling folder. Step 2, choose a platform. So after organizing all of your pictures or whatever in the folders, now choose a platform to put those images in. So if you're a modeler, ArtStation might be a good choice to pick, since it's very well known in the modeling community. You just have to make an account and put your model images in there, and then it'll be good. You can also use the Roblox Dev Forum, create your own website, like using Google Sites or Wix.com. I'll actually prefer Google Sites more, since when people look at your website and they see Wix, they will think that you're unprofessional most of the time. So probably Google Sites, since they're it's not that hard to make anyway. So you can also create your own custom ads, like this one over here, which is just one big photo, and you just put whatever, your best work and how much it costs. Not your best work, I mean just some of the work you've done and around the cost of how much to create that. You can also use social media such as Instagram, Twitter, whatever. You can use any of that. Or if you're lazy, you can also just use Google Slides. Like this one, you just put, for example, models, and then you have some picture of the models you do, and then you put some price. Or you have different types of models, like character models. You have a separate section for character models and a separate section for weapon models, and etc. And this applies to everything else, like GUIs and stuff. Just, choose a platform that you want to put all of those images in. Step 3, organize your content. Categorize your work into different sections or projects. So just categorize your work. For example, you can look at this guy's. He had scripting for Roblox, GUI, and vectors and graphs. He has it in different sections. So if you're a person that wants to hire a scripter, you'll click the scripting Roblox, and then you check out the portfolio. It'll show some videos of what he's done. And then step 4 is leave some sort of contact information. Like this one has Discord, or you can, or you can give them your Roblox Dev Forum, like their username, and they contact you through Roblox. That's also possible, but usually people prefer to use Discord in the community. You can also use Instagram or Facebook, but usually people don't use these two, they use Discord. So if you don't have a Discord, go make a Discord account and use that for your contact. Okay, note, quality over quantity. It is better to have a smaller number of excellent pieces in your portfolio than include everything you've ever created. Your aim is to impress your client. You want to impress them with your work. So quality over quantity. Don't put everything you've made. And important notes, do not show half-made models or half-made works of any kind. For example, GUI, don't show them half-made works, since they will think that's your final result. I have 3 examples here. So this guy, he didn't, his work is not optimized. If you look at this body armor, it's not optimized, and bringing it into the game it's not that good, since it'll lag the game and stuff. So I mean, this could work, but usually if I was commissioning people, I look at this, I will think that this guy couldn't optimize his work if he put that in his portfolio. And then this one as well, everything's okay, but what the heck happened here? There's no window and stuff. I don't think this is his final work, and plus these are not textured at all. If they put this in their portfolio, you'll think they're kind of unprofessional. They don't even color their models. And then this one too, this one here. If you look at this, it looks really incomplete, and why would you put that in your portfolio when it's not completed? They'll think that, this is your best work, or one of your best works. That's why you put it in your portfolio. So don't put anything that's half-made. And also, if you put anything that's kind of bad in your portfolio, you could have 5 good models, for example, your modeler, 5 good models, and then 1 bad model. They will focus on this bad model, and they'll think that, okay, maybe this guy can only make those 4 good models or 5 good models, and that's it. And all the rest of his models are like this one bad model. So don't put bad models. yeah, a little recap is step 1, gather all of your works or make them. Step 2 is choose a platform to put all of your works, like to show all of your works on. Step 3 is organize them, organize your content, put different content in different sections, like GUIs and models, put them in different sections. Add a contact information to them. And also add payment as well. You have to say what kind of payment you want. Some people want PayPal payment only, some people only want Roblox payment, some people want both. So make sure to negotiate that with your client first, or else they might only do bank transfers and you can't accept that kind of money. Then it's not good for you or them. So yeah. Thank you.